Some military drones are built to move at incredible speeds, whether it's to evade enemy defenses, conduct high-risk reconnaissance missions, support combat operations, or test the limits of aerospace engineering itself. Today, we're counting down 5 of the fastest military drones ever built, ranked by their top speed. From stealthy spy drones currently in service to experimental hypersonic aircraft that could change warfare forever, these machines represent the cutting edge of unmanned aviation. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is one of the most mysterious drones ever operated by the United States military. The Lockheed Martin RQ-17. Sentinel entered service in 2007 and is primarily used by the US Air Force and the CIA for stealth reconnaissance missions. Nicknamed the Wraith, and often referred to as the Beast of Kandahar, the drone gained worldwide attention after one was captured by Iran in 2011. What makes the RQ-17 fascinating is how little we actually know about it. Much of its design and performance remain classified. However, experts believe it can fly at speeds approaching Mach 0.75, or roughly 575 miles per hour. Featuring a stealthy flying wing design and the ability to operate at altitudes up to 50,000 feet, the Sentinel is built to gather intelligence deep inside hostile territory while remaining difficult to detect. For a drone focused on stealth and surveillance, that's seriously impressive speed. Next up is a drone that helped prove the future of naval aviation. The Northrop Grumman X-47B was developed as an unmanned combat aerial vehicle capable of operating from aircraft carriers. While only 2 prototypes were built, the program demonstrated technologies that were considered groundbreaking at the time. The X-47B became famous for successfully taking off and landing on aircraft carriers autonomously. It also became one of the first drones capable of autonomous aerial refueling. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney turbofan engine, the aircraft can exceed Mach 0.9, reaching speeds of around 690 miles per hour or more. Combined with stealth features, internal weapon storage, and carrier-based operations, the X-47B showed that unmanned aircraft could perform many of the same missions traditionally assigned to fighter pilots. Even though it never entered full production, its influence can still be seen in modern drone development programs. Now things start getting seriously fast. The QF-16 isn't a purpose-built drone from the ground up. Instead, it's a converted F-16 Fighting Falcon that has been transformed into an unmanned target aircraft. And yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. These drones are used by the US Air Force to provide realistic training targets for fighter pilots. Rather than practicing against simulations, pilots can engage actual aircraft flying real combat maneuvers. Nicknamed Zombie Vipers, these remotely operated jets retain much of the performance of the original F-16. That means they can reach speeds of Mach 2, or approximately 1,535 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, that's more than twice the speed of sound. While their ultimate mission is usually to be shot down during testing and training exercises, the QF-16 remains one of the fastest operational drones ever flown. Moving into the world of hypersonic flight, we arrive at the legendary SR-72. Often called the successor to the iconic SR-71 Blackbird, the SR-72 is currently under development by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division. Unlike the SR-71, this aircraft is expected to be completely unmanned. Although much of the project remains classified, reports suggest the SR-72 could reach speeds of Mach 6, which translates to roughly 4,600 miles per hour. At that speed, the aircraft would be capable of crossing continents in minutes rather than hours. The key to achieving this performance is believed to be an advanced propulsion system that combines traditional turbine engines with a scramjet, allowing efficient operation from takeoff all the way into hypersonic flight. If the SR-72 becomes operational, it could revolutionize reconnaissance and strike missions by making interception nearly impossible. Taking the number one spot is a drone that operates in a category almost beyond imagination. The DARPA Hypersonic Technology Vehicle, 2, better known as the HTV-2, was an experimental hypersonic glide vehicle designed to test the limits of aerospace technology. During testing, the vehicle achieved speeds exceeding Mach 20. That's more than 15,000 miles per hour. At that velocity, a drone could theoretically reach targets anywhere on Earth in under an hour. To achieve these incredible speeds, the HTV-2 was launched into the upper atmosphere using a booster rocket before separating and gliding at hypersonic velocity. The tests ultimately ended in loss of control, but they successfully provided engineers with valuable data about aerodynamics, thermal protection, and hypersonic flight. In fact, during testing, parts of the vehicle experienced temperatures approaching 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit due to atmospheric friction. While the HTV-2 itself may never enter operational service, its technology could pave the way for the next generation of hypersonic military aircraft. And for now, it remains the fastest drone ever flown. So there you have it, 5 of the fastest military drones ever built. From the stealthy RQ-170 Sentinel to the mind-bending Mach 20 speeds of the HTV-2, these aircraft show just how far drone technology has evolved. And with hypersonic programs continuing to advance around the world, there's a good chance today's record holders won't stay on top forever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which drone impressed you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.